Welcome everyone. We are now actually in my kitchen here in Coral Gables. It's called Señora Martinez Restaurant. And if it sounds a little different, it's because this is what a working kitchen sounds like. This is a restaurant kitchen. So let's go ahead and make some chicken meatballs, which are really delicious and my family loves. So I decided to give you some white meat and dark meat for the chicken meatball. My little trick to make them even more moist is by adding a little bit of fresh ricotta cheese. We're going to use the rest of that later. 1 egg, some fresh chopped parsley. I never put raw onions or garlic in my meatballs. I love to use cooked onions and garlic. So a little bit of that. And that's just cooked in a little bit of olive oil. Some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, which we'll use the rest later as well. And then finally, some Italian breadcrumbs, which you can either make or, of course, you can buy. A little bit of salt and black pepper. And go ahead and mix that all together. So once it is all nice and well blended, go ahead and make whatever shape meatball you like. Some people like them bigger, some like them smaller. So once you have that, what I like to do is saute the meatballs. So I put them all in a big surface area saute pan with olive oil until they're nice and golden. Then I add a little bit of chicken stock and some tomato sauce. And I finish the cooking process after they have seared with a nice color. So I like to place some warm meatballs in their tomato sauce. In a bowl like this, make sure you put a little bit of fresh sauce right over the top. And then place some fresh ricotta cheese right on the top of that. A sprinkle of good Parmesan. And then rip some fresh basil right over the top. Like so. And there you have it. My delicious chicken meatballs. Just wait till you see how light and feathery they are.